friends, my name is Zubair Salman. Today I'm gonna introduce the how can we swap the plant's place. But first, we need a spade, a harrow, a water, and a plant. But we must find a good place. Let's go. Now I find a good place for the plant. But first, make a hole. Second, put the plant in the hole. Third, cover the plant's place. Fourth, put some water. Now it's finished. Guys, I want to tell you something. Don't hurt the plants, flowers, and the trees because they made oxygen for us. And oxygen made us alive. There's no oxygen, we can't breathe and we die. So that's why I love the jungle, forest, and the world. So don't hurt the world. Goodbye.